In this video, I will show you how to create a WinCo Foods online account. So first of all, open up any web browser. In the search bar, search for WinCo Foods. Then scroll down below, then you will find this URL. Click on it. Now in the top left corner, you can see WinCo Foods logo. Just below it, you can see these three lines. Click on it. Here, click on Hello and sign in. To create an account, we have to go from login page to sign up page. Now to sign up for WinCo Foods, what you need to do is simply put in your email, then set a password fulfilling all the conditions. Scroll down below, put your first name, then your last name, put your primary phone number, then put the zip code of your area. After that, simply click on sign up. And that's it. That's how you can create an WinCo Food online account. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.